Welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. Get ready for the dictation at the rate of 50 words per minute. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, start. Wars were often due to the fact that man's lack of knowledge did not permit him to utilize to the full the resources of nature. One nation or group could therefore satisfy its needs only by depriving others. If food or fodder was scarce, the only means of overcoming this shortage lay in forcible occupation of the fields or pastures belonging to others. Today, the progress of science has created conditions where all legitimate demands of man can be satisfied. We can now live in an economy of plenty rather than one of want. Secrets of nature have been revealed one after the other, and those have made available to man the immense wealth of her hidden resources. The tragedy of the situation, however, is that this increase of knowledge and mastery over nature is being used not so much for the constructive purposes of society as to enhance man's powers of destruction. The energy of the atom has been unlocked, and this can bring within the reach of all comfort and plenty. We are, however, concentrating on the use of atomic energy mainly to create terrible engines of destruction. Wireless has brought all mankind nearer to one another, but instead of using it to strengthen the bonds of fellowship among men, we are using it as an aid to a propaganda of hatred and discord. Aeroplanes are being used primarily to develop our offensive in aerial welfare. Greater knowledge of germs and bacteria promises mastery over disease and suffering. But such knowledge is often being sought to develop their use as weapons in bacteriological war. Not that these discoveries have no beneficent use, but such use seems subsidiary to the main purpose of employing them as weapons for the destruction of humanity. Since the beginning of this century, technological and scientific developments have tended to make war and peace coextensive with the whole world. In the past, some problems may have been solved by war. In any case, such wars were confined to a section of the world. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. If you want to encourage our channel, please join through the join button. Thank you.